welcome back to my channel. For those of you watching for the first time today, my name is Biobelle and this is my beauty YouTube channel. Welcome back, guys. Today's video is my Ipsy unbagging. Alright, so this is the look that I came up with using every one of the products inside this bag. Let's go ahead and dive right into this Ipsy unbagging. The first item up is this. So I'm going to insert the clip right here. Okay, so final thoughts, you guys. Let's see. Let's start off with the first thing that came in the bag. This. It says it's supposed to enhances radiance, minimizes pores, even skin tone. It's like a primer mask. My foundation feels really, really good. I've never used a primer mask before. This is my first time, and I have no complaints when it comes to my actual foundation and the way it looks right now. I'm really enjoying it. So I would give this a super thumbs up.
Now, if my makeup starts creasing or starts looking patchy or something after some time, I will let you guys know.
Second item in the bag. Oh, this guy right here. I'll put it back in the box. It is the Bye Bye Under Eye It Cosmetics Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. Ooh, waterproof.
I am a big fan of Ipsy. I enjoy getting my Ipsy every month, and I enjoy trying out samples and stuff like that. But this, and it has nothing to do with the actual product, but this is retarded. So you have this size, right? And I literally, like, there's nothing in here, like hardly anything. Look. Squeezing from the bottom all the way to the top. Nothing's coming out, guys. Nothing is coming out until you get to, like, right here. Dude, that's, like, less than half the bottle. Are you kidding me? So there's that. I'm kind of, well...
I wouldn't say I'm kind of upset. I am very upset that that's all that's in here. But you know what? Whatever. It's a subscription. It's supposed to be full size, but it is a sample. Whatever. For the things that it's supposed to do. I don't have dark circles under my eyes. Not really. But the amount that I do have, I suppose it covered it up. I don't see any dark under eye circles. Do you? Oh yeah, one thing that annoyed me really bad. And I guess it's a good thing for some people. A little bit goes a long ways with this. And if you've seen the clip already, you've seen what I did. I put a lot on my face thinking that it was going to be like my Hey Honey concealer, but no, it's not. And it's very thick, like super thick, and I'm a person that doesn't like heavy or a super thick foundation, so it was kind of annoying me. After, distributing it. After moving it around all over my under eyes and stuff, it went on really well. It seemed to blend out pretty nicely. I don't really have anything negative to say other than the stuff that I've already said. It's just it's not supposed to crease, but I won't be able to tell for a couple of hours, so I will leave that in the description bar for you guys. And I think that's it for this one.
I don't know, I wasn't totally wowed. Like, honestly, I'm not like, damn, like, I love this concealer. Like, no, it's, I don't know. I guess after I wear it and, it's time to wash up my makeup, I'll have the final thought on whether or not I really, really like it. But as of right now, it's just kind of like,
Alright, next item was this. This is oh look, it says be beautiful, be you. That's a super cute thing. I didn't even notice that. Okay. This is from the line F.A.R.A.H. It is a large angled contour brush. It is the brush 30F. Super, super soft. Was it easy to work with? It was, but I feel like if you have like some really shitty or like crappy powder or stick or something, this might not be a very good thing. It blended out the contour powder that I used today pretty well. I don't feel like I left any patchy areas or anything like that, so I do like this. I will be using this again. I just can't get over the fact that it has like a little quote on the side. That's so cute. I am gonna be me. Last thing in the bag. And this is hands down my favorite thing in this bag this month. Duh. But anyways, it is called the Estate Do Me Baked Highlighter Powder. It comes in, I think it's an ounce of product. It's cruelty free, that's good. Paraben free, I don't know what that is. Just trying to give y'all some more information. Okay, so it comes like this. And yes, I know what you're thinking. Well, it's a pink highlight. How's that gonna look? Fucking bomb, bitch. It looks amazing. I love this highlighter. I do. I usually go for like, you know, like yellowish, goldish, silverish looking highlighters. I've never used like rainbow highlighters ever before. I thought they didn't look right, or I didn't think it'd look right on my skin. So trying this out today, I've come to realize that I really like this highlighter, like really like, and it's pink. Who knew I would like pink highlighters? But anyways, I'm like in love with this highlighter. Like, just, I know I already gave y'all a swatch, but I'll give y'all another one. And it does, and the thing about it that I love the most is that it doesn't come off looking pink. You see? Not at all. It looks so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Okay, no, seriously. I do love this highlighter. I'm totally living for it.
Oh, I almost forgot. This little guy.
It's called Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint. So that's a lipstick I'm wearing now. It's a little tacky, slightly, just like slightly, like if this is tacky and this is like not tacky, it's like right here, like right here. It's really not that tacky like it is, but it's not. It feels creamy. Doesn't transfer. It is a lip paint, so it's supposed to, I guess, stay as it is. It's in the shade, girl, I don't know how to pronounce that. Tehran. I'll leave it in the description bar below. Anyways, so this lip paint is this color right here, and I really like it. It's a super cute color. It actually looks like it's gonna be like brown on here, but it looks more pinkish than brown on the lips, and that's fine. Like so much. Okay, let me rephrase my last couple of sentences. These two are my favorite in this bag. So that completes this Ipsy unbagging. I'm sorry I forgot about this. Totally dropped the ball. But leave me a comment with your thoughts on any of these products. Sorry, excuse my phone if you heard it ring. It was my husband. So where was I? Okay, anyways, give this video a like, subscribe. Don't forget to share this video if you can. Leave me a comment down below. Give me your thoughts on this bag right here. Give me your thoughts on the things that I like. Did you like these as much as I did? Because I really did. So just leave me a comment. Let me know how your day was. Something. And I will see you in my next video.